Let's talk about bedtime. So you've just tucked your child into bed, you've turned off the lights, you're about to leave the room, and suddenly they are asking for water, asking for one more hug, basically asking for anything other than going to sleep. So why is this happening? Well, number one, when we tell our children to go to sleep, we are actually asking them to do something that they can't fully control. We're giving them a command, and sleep is more of a process. So here are some things we can do to promote a better nighttime routine. Number one, let's create a clear and consistent bedtime routine that we follow each and every night. Number two, let's start offering some directions that help cue those sleepy feelings. So, okay, it's time to lay down, put our head on the pillow and close our eyes and take some nice, slow, deep breaths. Now what we're doing is, rather than giving them commands, we are offering them that connection and that predictability, which is what our children's brains truly need to start cueing those sleepy feelings. Give it a try and let me know how it goes.